The moon catcher. Lila whispers to her teddy as a shard of moonlight drifts into the garden. The shard lands with a soft plop among the petunias. Curious, Lila tiptoes out to investigate the glow. She discovers a trembling moon-kitten nestled in the flowers. Lila soothes Luna and promises to help her get home to the moon. In the magical hush, Lila decides on a daring plan. Lila rummages for the biggest cardboard box with determined focus. She straps on her bike helmet and crowns it with a shiny colander. Crayons turn the box into a cockpit of switches, buttons, and a wide window. Holding Luna close, Lila climbs into the box and readies for launch. 3, 2, 1, blast off to the moon. The box trembles and rattles until the vibrations fade. She peeks out in awe.